And we're back with more donuts.
What is going on, you guys? It is your boy Madara Uchiha, guys. Madara Uchiha is back. How you guys doing today?
And your girl Kakashi.
And we've got, of course, over here, what is it? A soldier from the Lee village, guys. She is my spy. We have infiltrated the Lee village. I'm just kidding, guys. It is your boy Carboholics. We are back with another banging, epic cheat day video. As you guys can see, we got the spiders right back here, guys. We got a lot of our Halloween decorations out along with our costumes. It is October 14, 10:08 a.m. And yes, I know. Why are you guys dressed up? It's barely October. It's October, guys. It's October. You could be whatever you want. Whatever you want. This is the month you could be it. So we went out to Hook and Press. They got brand new flavors. We're gonna get started with the dirty chai donut, which is a chai glaze, cinnamon, and coffee glaze drizzle over the top. So this is the dirty chai. Dirty chai from Hook and Press. First donut. Cheers. Let's see how this is.
First donut of the day, guys. And it's mighty delicious.
Wow.
This kind of reminds me like an horchata one flavor.
Yeah. It does give me that chai latte Starbucks vibe. That's crazy. They nailed the chai.
I told you.
Yeah.
Hook and Press don't play. Look how soft that bread is. Ooh, I almost lost it.
Brioche donuts at its finest. Wow.
Is this an overnight brioche?
Wow. Rich, creamy chai flavor.
With that cinnamon.
With the cinnamon powder over the top. Wow. So good. Alright. Next donut, guys. This is what?
Rate it.
I don't know how to rate this dirty chai donut, but it will be an 8.5 out of 10 for me. All round, just because I haven't had so many of these, but they're really good. Next one. This is their everything bagel donut, guys, which is an overnight brioche dough, in-house whipped cream cheese filling, melted butter, everything bagel seasoning, and chive garnish. Wow. In-house whipped cream cheese filling. Give it a bite up close. Oh, cheers, cheers.
This is for you. This is for you, guys.
Cheers.
And for me, of course. I've been waiting for this one.
Oh, no.
Look at that, guys.
Dang it. It's all good. It's all good.
That could be
Cream
mine.
cheese all over our two donuts, but we'll save them, guys.
That could be mine.
Nevertheless, this everything bagel donut, wow.
What's this?
Wow.
Wow, guys.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
It's so amazing. I don't even think they could even see your bite. You're so high.
If you would cover your face, that would see.
No, because you're like on the outside of the screen.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Nice and salty, guys. Ooh, I love it.
The everything seasoning above this donut.
Mm.
Wow. Has that everything but the seasoning flavor with some salt.
Everything I need.
Oh yeah.
Mm. Wow, guys, this donut is epic.
Mmm.
I always have to fight with carbohydrate because I want my own. Mmm.
If you like everything bagels, this is definitely your donut, guys. Mmm. Wow. Amazing. 9.5 out of 10 for me on this one.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Mmm. All set with this epic first batch. I'm gonna go warm up the next style of brioche. New flavored donuts from Hook and Press, guys. And we'll be right back with some more spectacularly delicious flavors.
The spectacular. I don't even know how to say that.
Alright, next batch. Right there. We're gonna get started with a creme brulee what is it? Creme brulee donut, guys, from Hook and Press. Y'all already know we normally don't go for creme brulee donuts, but this one sounds intriguing. Let's see.
Let's see, guys.
I can't even. Yeah,
Look
so
how
this
hard
is their
it is.
pumpkin creme brulee, overnight brioche, pumpkin custard, brulee sugar shell. Oh yeah. If you're gonna snap it in half, put the plate under there. Alright.
Wow.
Pumpkin custard, guys. Brulee sugar shell. Cheers. I warmed it up, so let's see how it is.
Mmm. Mmm, wow. Look at this, guys.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Mmm.
Drip some on the.
Wow. Their pumpkin custard.
Mmm. Two of my favorite now. This one and the one from Blue Star, guys. If you guys haven't watched the video,
The white chocolate
wow.
cherry creme brulee and this pumpkin one. And I think for me, this pumpkin one takes the lead. Cause I love pumpkin, guys.
Wow.
Wow.
I love that they have like a good amount
of the custard filling, huh?
Oh yes. And we had their, I don't know if Carboholic mentioned already, we had their pumpkin latte. Wow, that was really delicious.
Wow.
I knew this was gonna be good. The donut.
Wow. The pumpkin in it, guys. They got that pumpkin custard nailed down. So far,
And a lot
this is so weird to say, but this made it up there with my top pumpkin spice donuts. And it's a creme brulee, guys. I'm not really into creme brulees like that, but that custard gives it life. It's right up there with Oli Boli's.
And they always say that this one, for some reason, is supposed to be sweet, right? Because it's caramelized, or what is it? Like, well, I don't know. I never found flavor, basically, to this top part. I don't know why, but
V wants the top shell to be sweet, more sweet.
But this is good. Like, I literally could eat it without that filling.
Yeah. The brulee on top of it I believe, I don't think it's just sugar on this one. Or they've got to be using some type of special sugar right here.
I don't know, but
When it comes to creme brulees, I rate this a 9.25 out of 10. And I'm not even a creme brulee fan, but
agreed.
that pumpkin custard, wow. 10 out of 10 on that filling. I will slurp that filling up from a cup. Drizzle it on another one of their donuts. It'll be damn delicious. Next donut. Wow. It's gonna be hard to get over that one. This is their vegan donut, guys. This is a vegan Samoa donut. Now they usually nail their vegan flavors, so we had to get one. This is a vanilla bean glaze, toasted coconut over the top, chocolate drizzle, and date caramel drizzle. Ooh. Guys. Date caramel. Wow. I love how thick the drizzles on the top of this donut are. So let's see. Cheers.
Mmm. 10 out of 10, baby. Wow.
Wow. Damn.
Wow. I'm not even mad. Wow. That. And given that some Samoans have like a lot of chocolate, this has a lot of flavor. Like, I could taste a lot that caramel, or what is it? A caramel?
The date caramel drizzle. And the chocolate drizzle. Like, it's a perfect combination of date caramel to chocolate drizzle to coconut drizzle. The texture on this donut is like a light, soft crispiness, if that even makes sense, guys. Wow. Just wow. Amazing.
If you guys have not tried Pecan Pie, please get out there and try it. Any flavor, I bet you're not gonna regret it. I bet it's so good, you know?
It's so hard to place our order, guys.
You cannot go wrong.
24 donuts is what we stick to, and it's so hard to choose the flavors. Wow. And I'm so happy that I got 2 of these. So happy, guys. They're vegan flavors. Always get sent out of the park.
Wow.
The amount of toppings on this donut.
The donut game is really serious.
Wow.
They changed the game completely.
9.5 out of 10 for Samoans right here. I might even give this a 9.75 out of 10, guys. This is that good. And it's vegan. It's vegan. Wow.
Next batch.
Let's keep it going, guys. Amazing flavors. I'm gonna go warm up this next batch. We'll be right back with some more amazing donuts from Santa Barbara. Alright, guys. Next batch. We're gonna go with, yeah, that one's good. We'll just start with that. This is the Blackberry Bourbon Rosemary. Blackberry Bourbon Rosemary glaze with a fresh rosemary garnish, guys, on their brioche donut.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah,
color.
this thing sounds amazing. Bourbon. It does kind of smell like. Cheers.
I knew it.
Yeah.
I knew it. He didn't really like it.
Yeah.
I taste a lot that thyme.
Wow.
It's very Very strong. Wow, but this is so amazing. Mm.
Mm.
Mm. Mm.
Don't never say I don't eat my greens.
Mm. 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 Oh, it's so good.
Yeah. And the bourbon is really subtle, huh? Like towards the back end, but you could taste that. You do get bourbon notes. That's crazy. Mmm.
Wow.
I love bourbon. So that's a complete win with me.
I love Thyme.
Rating it, I will give it like an 8.75 out of 10. You?
Yeah.
Top donut.
Wow.
You know, it was great, guys.
That's a very different donut. Like,
Unique.
yeah, all the time.
You remember the ones that are getting 9.5 and above, 9 and above.
Blowing.
It's personal preference, guys. We have, you know, flavors that we love. I know most of y'all. Let me see y'all down in the comments. Who loves pumpkin spice? Who loves apple freaking pie? Who loves freaking peanut butter? Who loves cookie butter? Who likes pecan pie? I'm sure there's many of you that prefer one over the other. So that's why we grade them as we do. But every flavor has been outstanding, guys. All right, next flavor. Their pecan pie. This is their overnight brioche. Maple glaze. Pecan pie filling with a pie crust leaf garnish. Guys, the leaf garnish is the pie crust. Like, it's a complete leaf shaped pie crust garnish. Man, let's see. I'm gonna get to that pecan filling in the middle.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Guys. Oh, please go visit this shop.
Wow.
Wow. Guys,
I'm freaking standing.
who comes up with these flavors? It's getting hard, guys. Harder and harder to choose. Which one's at the top? Which one? Damn, this is a 10 out of 10 donut. Wow.
Yeah. As far as pecan pie donuts go, a good 9.5 out of 10 for me. 9.75. This is delicious.
Wow. This is amazing, guys. I love how they put a good amount of topping on the top. Thank you, Hook and Press. Wow.
Seriously, I almost give this a 10 out of 10. I mean, I'm sure if I have it right there at the shop, freshly made, 10 out of 10.
This one's going
This
down.
is probably my first one. I mean, my favorite one from this batch so far. For all my pecan pie fans, this is definitely a donut that you must hit out and taste. It will knock you right out of the park. You're gonna question why they don't just make pies there, guys. I mean, it's that good. I'm gonna go warm up this next batch and we'll be right back with some more. Fall, amazing, unique, Santa Barbara Doughnuts, guys, from Hook and Press. Yeah, I know. They got me hooked and pressed to warm up more donuts.
Hooked and ready to eat some donuts. Oh my god.
Alright, next batch. This one. We're gonna move on to which one do you want to do first?
Let's do these apple ones.
Alright, so that one is, no, it's not apple, that's the pear.
Sorry.
Pear and thyme crisp, overnight brioche, vanilla bean glaze, pear plus thyme compote, cinnamon, and a sugar cookie crumble.
Ooh.
Pear plus thyme compote. I've never had that pairing on a donut, and it sounded and looked weird in the picture, but hey, let's see how it tastes.
Wait, it was two with
Cheers.
thyme?
No, the other one had rosemary.
Oh, and I said thyme on the other one.
Did you? I think I did too then. It was rosemary, the other one. Alright, let's see. Okay. I'm loving the pear and thyme combo.
Yeah. It's actually really good together, huh? Like, I like the sweetness of the pear.
The tardiness and sweetness from the pear, delicious. The vanilla glaze, good. The thyme is like you get hit with back notes of it, but I would have really loved it more with like a pear drizzle. You get me? A drizzle of some sort on that vanilla glaze, because otherwise it just tastes like a vanilla glazed donut until I get to the center, which is really good.
Wow. I don't mind it at all.
Like our napkins say, keep it real. That's how we do it up in this channel. I'll give this donut an 8.25 out of 10, guys. Great concept, great donut. Everything was good on it, I can't complain. It's just not something that, after all these flavors that just smacked me in the damn face, maybe I should have started with this one. You know, it was a mellow flavor, but it was great, especially when you got to the center of the compote. All in all, a great concept. Next donut.
Not that mellow. It was pretty sweet.
Well, yeah, because it's vanilla glaze, but. All right, next donut. This is there. Check it out, check it out. Maple pumpkin. It's a spiced pumpkin cake, maple glaze, and cinnamon roasted pepitas. The cinnamon roasted pepitas is what's getting me out this donut. So let's see, pumpkin cake. Cheers. See how it smells. Doesn't smell like.
Let's see, cause I've had a pumpkin. Oh no, they're pumpkin pepitas, huh? Was it? Is this pumpkin pepitas? Or just pepitas? I don't know, guys, but
I think the pepitas is the pumpkin one.
Oh yeah?
I think. Wow, really good. This is way different than any pumpkin cake that I've had so far.
Carboholic is right. Wow, guys, and actually, I could tell you that this one is more moist than any other
Of their cakes.
Of their cakes, yeah, of their old fashions. Definitely is good. Now this one's
I'm getting like a type of earthy spice on it, and I don't know if it's turmeric or what.
I doubt it. I don't think it's turmeric.
But it's good, especially with
the cinnamon over it. I wouldn't even know how to rate this.
Well, I could already tell you that the cake is soft.
It's more moist, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
the
they're
cakes are way
old-fashions.
better than when we first went there.
Our texture is it's getting softer, guys.
More moist. Wow. And the reason I wouldn't know how to rate this is because it's so weird. It's so different. It's like throwing me off. And not in a bad way, guys. It's good. But I know it's a pumpkin spice donut. But when I first bite it, it tastes like something else. And then you get hit with those back notes of the pumpkin spice. Before you could say, this is not pumpkin spice, this is what it is, you get hit with that pumpkin spice back note. You get what I'm saying? It's like a type of, I don't know if it's a spice or something that it's good though. I like it.
It's definitely different. And not in a bad way, you know?
It's like a mixture of a cinnamon crumb donut with like a pumpkin spice, but with a type of spice. Like, I don't know if it's turmeric or I don't know what it is.
And these pepitas are good.
Yeah. The roasted pepita. So all in all, I'll give it an 8.75 out of 10. How about you?
Oh, all of them are.
Yeah, they're high like that. That's what you give. I'm gonna go warm up this next batch then, guys, and we'll be right back with some more amazing donuts. All right, guys. Next batch. Which one you want to start with? Another pumpkin donut?
Sure.
Yeah, because that one looks like it's gonna have way more flavor. All right, this is the pumpkin spice latte deluxe donut, guys. This is a spiced pumpkin cake, powdered sugar, espresso butter cream, and a chocolate espresso bean at the top. Wow.
Yeah.
I'll trade you. Yeah.
It's because you gave me my latte.
Cheers.
Okay. Oh, shit. Sheesh.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. I gotta say, love that espresso at the top, banging.
Yeah.
And a powdered sugar. I actually inhaled it.
Yeah, that espresso, freaking buttercream at the top, gave this pumpkin cake donut just a different type of vibe. Let's see with this chocolate coffee bean on the top.
I inhaled it and it kind of gave me the like tickles on my throat.
Wow.
What is that, chocolate?
That made it taste like the smell from when you walk into Starbucks.
Like a mocha flavor.
Yeah. And like V said, we got their butter pecan latte out of this world, guys. 9.5 out of 10. Their pumpkin spice latte, 9.75 out of 10. Wow.
And
this freaking buttercream.
They're nailing the texture.
Yeah. If y'all haven't tasted Hook and Press, I don't know what you're waiting for. These are phenomenal donuts. So
Honestly,
good.
I didn't taste the pumpkin on this, but I guess everything combined together just made it pop. The coffee taste.
Yeah. The
I'm not
espresso
even
buttercream
complaining.
was like full of flavor, huh? And that powdered sugar gave like a type of sweetness vibe to this donut. Next donut, another deluxe donut from there, guys. This is their Dutch apple pie. Careful that you don't drop the stuff from in there, from the top. The toppings. This is an apple cake, green apple glaze, cinnamon streusel, and spiced apple compote.
Okay, that one.
What did I tell you? I
even
told
tilted.
you. Dang, green apple, guys. Green apple glaze. Look at did you show them? Hopefully you guys saw the little pieces of green on the glaze itself. Like, dude,
Oh,
this
yeah.
is gonna be phenomenal. All right, cheers. Let's see. Let's see how this one is.
Get out of here. Wow, these flavors, guys. Oh my god. This tastes like one. I don't know about you guys, but I used to love when they used to give out the little pouches of the green apples at school. My favorite. This is technically it right here.
The sliced green apples, means.
Yeah.
Well, I doubt that everybody would get them in pouches. Not everybody's in California.
Oh.
But yeah, just
I don't think it tastes
they
the
will give
same.
us sliced green apples and a little.
I don't think it'll
pouch.
taste the same like that. Just the apples like that.
But I'm saying
'Cause
that's what you're
kinda
talking
like,
about.
Yeah.
They were already kind of moist, like
Different.
a little bit old,
Yeah.
huh? But they.
Not old. I think they just have something on them that it made it taste like extra, like, I don't know how to say, like tangy, maybe? A tangy sweet flavor? I don't know. They have a certain flavor on them. But they would used to give them in little pouches, I mean. In little baggies.
Wow. This is so good. You get hit with all that green apple flavor with this one, huh? The compote on top of it is just so amazing. The green apple glaze is filled with flavor, which I don't know if some of it must be coming from this apple cake, because look, it's got apple pieces as well in it.
Oh, yeah.
But man, all of it put together, just it's a vibe.
Everything's falling on me.
Oh shit. Now, we did leave 4 donuts. 4 donuts, guys. We've had the chocolate abuelita for you guys in the channel. We had the vegan cookie butter, but this time they put cookie pieces on top of the cookie butter donut. It is vegan. And then another apple cake donut with caramel glaze and green apple drizzle. That one we haven't had, it's new, but it's like this one, the same base. The other 2 we've had for you guys in the channel. I'm kind of full, but it's getting really hot out here and I'm wearing a damn robe. V's in costume too. So we're gonna close up this donut portion. It is October 14, 10:55. Make sure you guys hit a like on this video, hit that subscribe button for us, help us trend on the YouTube algorithm. If you want to go and appreciate, if you want to go the extra mile for us, guys, drop a comment, let us know what flavor caught your eye the most, because damn, these were some unique flavors, fall flavors. So we'll be right back with the second meal. I guess Kakashi doesn't have nothing to say. I'll be right back. Peace.